G'day guys, Angus here from the Grizzly team here at Bentech. Just wanted to give you a bit more of a refresh and an overview on our workshop bench range. So just for those that haven't seen it before, we have built here an engineering and a rebuild bench, 2-ton rated, very, very heavy duty, 10mm steel, thick top on it. Really is built to take a beating and carry on working. As we've got on the wall behind us, that's the Outlast everything motto. So this bench here is spec'd with the slot-in cabinets, super heavy duty, self-contained unit that just slides straight in under the bench. So you can choose to have them for the whole 4 sections or just in 1 or just in 2. Also got the forklift slots, is a very, very heavy duty bench. So for that extra mobility when you need to move it around. Also featured with 150mm lockable castors for moving it around in your workshop. Got your fixing points underneath your bench. That's for your accessories, whether that be the backboard or the oil drain trays, so that contains any liquids that might be coming from your rebuilds, stops it from going onto the floor. So that's our 1200 depth bench, available in 4 lengths, 1200, 1800, 2400 and then 3 meters as well. But what we've also brought out is a more compact version. So this is a 700mm, same engineering specs, 1-ton working load on the bottom shelf, 2-ton on the top, just in a slightly narrower form factor for tighter spaces up against containers or walkways, but absolutely no compromise on performance. Again, built to outlast everything. So there you have it guys, bit of an overview for you. You know where to find us. Reach out to the Grizzly team at Bentech, sales@bentechgroup.com.au.